So as we're playing StarCraft, Josh says there's like 3,000 birds outside, and I didn't believe him until he said, look. What the fuck is that? So many fucking birds on the roof.
Are you good enough? Outside.
There's so many crows. They're like literally flying. Oh my god. Is Mikey coming outside? Dude, what is that? It's like fucking ants.
I don't understand why they're here.
Is it a time of year of mating or something? Dude,
No.
That's tight. Oh my god.
I want to go out there. So you go. Mike, you come out there.
Where are all these birds coming from? What the fuck?
Here, let's walk down the street. They're going that way. They're on top of your house.
We're gonna follow the birds. I'm glad I didn't leave my window open. That would have been bad. We've never had this in California. Ever. What the fuck, dude? For the swarm right here. Like for the swarm. So many birds.